Hi kids, let's learn and have fun together.
Hello kids. Let's learn and write capital and small letters together. A. Capital A. Small a. A for alligator. An alligator is a big reptile that lives in water and on land. B. Capital B. Small b. B for butterfly. A butterfly is a colorful insect that flies from flower to flower. C. Capital C. Small c. C for car. A car helps us travel from one place to another. D. Capital D. Small d. D for duck. A duck is a bird that loves to swim in ponds. E. Capital E. Small e. E for elephant. An elephant is the largest land animal with a long trunk. F. Capital F. Small f. F for fish. A fish lives in water and breathes with gills. G. Capital G. And small g. G for guitar. A guitar is a musical instrument with strings. H. Capital H. Small h. H for hat. A hat is something we wear on our head. I. Capital I. Small I. I for ice cream. Ice cream is a sweet, cold, and yummy treat. J. Capital J. Small j. J for juice. Juice is a healthy drink made from fruits. K. Capital K. Small k. K for kite. A kite flies high in the sky with the wind. L. Capital L. Small l. L for ladybug. A ladybug is a tiny red insect with black spots. M. Capital M. Small m. M for monkey. A monkey loves to jump and play on trees. N. Capital N. Small n. N for nest. A nest is a home for birds. O. Capital O. Small o. O for ostrich. An ostrich is the biggest bird that cannot fly. P. Capital P. Small p. P for peacock. A peacock is a beautiful bird with colorful feathers. Q. Capital Q. Small q. Q for quail. A quail is a small bird that runs very fast. R. Capital R. Small r. R for robot. A robot is a smart machine made by humans. S. Capital S. Small s. S for sparrow. A sparrow is a small and friendly bird. T. Capital T. Small t. T for tiger. A tiger is a strong wild animal with stripes. U. Capital U. Small u. U for umbrella. An umbrella keeps us dry in the rain. V. Capital V. Small v. V for vase. A vase is used to keep flowers. W. Capital W. Small w. W for watermelon. A watermelon is a big green fruit with red, juicy inside. X. Capital X. Small x. X for xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument we play with sticks. Y. Capital Y. Small y. Y for yolk. The yolk is the yellow pite inside an egg. Z. Capital Z. Small z. Z for zip. A zip helps us open and close clothes or bags. To keep learning, like this video and subscribe my channel.
Keep learning, like this video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.